What's up, YouTube, man? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy, That's Jay, man. I'm here with another bang. Do not mind my hair, bro. Do not mind my hair. I'm just gonna be doing a prank on my father. Just be like, yeah, I'm gonna go. This about to go dumb, man. I'm gonna get back to y'all, man.
Black home.
I know mommy couldn't do it. I asked mommy to crack on back. She don't even know how to crack on back. You know how to do it, right? You know how to crack back, right?
Equipment and supplies that served Northeast Ohio
Yeah, crack it.
2003. Pace offers
Can you crack it for me?
Ohio's
I heard it while I was going lifting weights downstairs in the basement.
Technologies lift chairs. As a golden flagship dealer, Pace stocks maxi comforters, space savers, petite, tall, and extra wide lift chairs. And Pace has a wide selection of medical equipment and supplies.
It's something like crack it like a chair or a little bit. It's like cracking a little bit.
Hey, this nigga granddad talking that baby said, my dad said the more you keep getting smart and then you gonna loosen his training wheel. He gonna fall out. So I was just that nigga about getting smart now, nigga.
Come on, Dad, I need a little crack, man.
Man, crack that back on you. Crack your back. Break your back, bro.
You gonna break my back like.
Oh, he would brought that nigga back. He would brought that nigga back. Mom's about to be tripping.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
You alright?
Oh my God!
He brought that nigga
Oh
back,
my God!
man. You alright, dude?
Oh my God!
You alright?
Oh my God! I can't feel nothing. I'm going numb.
For real?
I can't feel nothing. I'm going numb.
Seriously?
Oh my God!
Man, Dad broke James back, man.
I'm going numb. I can't feel
Dad
nothing.
broke James back.
I can't feel nothing.
Huh?
I can't feel nothing.
Dad broke James back.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Stop that shit, man.
Come on, Dad. I can't feel nothing. I'm going numb.
Come on.
Don't touch.
I'm talking about he ain't broke his back. He ain't try to crack his back. He ain't broke
Oh,
his
man.
back.
Why you telling me to do it, man?
Oh my God, you called mommy at her. Oh no.
Oh, man. Come
Come
on,
on, to the
man.
hospital.
Come on, somebody. Come on. Come on.
For real.
Come on, Dad. Yeah, stop saying for real. Call 911.
Oh, man. That nigga calling 911 to the house, man.
You better take him to the hospital.
Come on.
Come on, man.
Come on,
man.
Dad.
Come on.
Come on, Dad.
He brought that nigga back.
Yeah.
He told us, oh, man, come on, man.
Come on, I can't feel nothing right now. I feel like I'm paralyzed.
Oh, for real?
Can you say, oh, for real? There's no place.
Oh, let me call 911. Hold on,
I can't
Jack.
feel nothing. I can't feel nothing.
All right, hold on.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't feel nothing.
Oh, man.
Dad.
Huh?
Dad, help me.
I'm finna call 911.
You get caught, mommy.
Huh? He was scared. Jay ain't got it on camera.
We got him.
He's like, damn, I fucked that. That's what he was thinking.
What would you thinking, Dad? What was you thinking?
Oh, shit. I see you calling 911. Man, they're going to take you to jail. That's why he was out to you.
Hey, no. Oh, for real?
He would have been caught.
Oh my gosh, man. This is a banger, man. Like the video, man. Drop a comment down below. Show your thoughts, man. Oh my gosh. Here we are, man. Peace.